folks, Maverick Indicators here. Happy weekend. I know I already put out a video this weekend, but I want to put out another one because I have something I hinted at it yesterday, but I got something exciting cooking for my Maverick AI Pro lifetime members. So I already told you guys, like, hey, you know what? In that bundle, it came with 7 total indicators. And I know if you're an OG, if you've been with us for a while, I would release free indicators from time to time. And then I said with the last release, I said, hey, this is the last couple of indicators I'm going to give for free in this bundle. We're going to come out with some other bundles, but this is this is it. Well, I'm going to give you a couple more, okay? In the Maverick AI Pro bundle, we are coming out with some power packs and some other bundles. But for those of you that made the one-time payment for the Maverick AI Pro bundle, that one that comes with the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X, we've been cooking up some things for you, and you've seen them on my charts here and there over the last few months, and getting ready to release it to you guys. Now, I will ask you to do something. I'm going to ask for a favor of you that I will come out with in a little bit, but you will not have to pay for these indicators. So stay tuned. We're not going to send communication for probably another 3 or so days. So just give us a couple of days. Give us at least till Wednesday or Thursday. But we'll let you guys know how to get these in your hand. We'll send out an email. We'll announce it on YouTube. Yada yada yada. All right, enough of that about that. Let me show you the 2 indicators that I'm going to give you guys for free. Again, I'm going to ask you to do one little favor for me, and then we're going to release these things. So first things, this is the Maverick signals, okay? Maverick signals. Look at these signals, okay? Look how good this is. Again, I mostly just like to trade in the morning, late afternoon, not a big fan. But look at this sell, this buy, this sell, this sell. Market is about to open, and you just look at this, and it's just screaming at you to get in, but we would never trade right at the market open, okay? And then it just boom, dumps, sell signal, dumps, sell signal, dumps, okay? And then you start getting into lunchtime, you're gonna get some chop, okay? So look how clean these signals are. I'm super pumped about this. Now, what I will say is this isn't a buy and sell indicator. You got to use your head, okay? You would never just see this and click on a buy button or click on a sell button. I don't know why you'd learn how to trade if that was the deal. But this thing is pretty fun. I've been keeping this on my charts on another monitor, and it's been super fun. All right, so now we turn on our Maverick AI Pro. Okay, I turned off the background. There's a reason I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you guys. But now we turn on our Maverick AI Pro, and you have so much even more clear vision. You had a sell signal. You had gray reversal candles into red candles. Red is your second strongest downside candle. Ton of down confidence arrows. You start coming up, you have reversal candles. I probably actually would have gotten in right here before this signal. Then we start having reversal candles. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up confidence arrows just screaming at you to get in. But then you get the buy signal, right? And then you go from gray candles to bright green candles. Strongest upside candle. By the way, this is like pre-market here. Strongest upside candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 up confidence arrows. This thing is just screaming at you. Remember, we like to go short when price is below this blue line. That's the Maverick guide. When price is below the blue line, then we like to go short. When price is above the blue line, we like to go long. Then you start, then you shift over, right? Okay, you're getting close to 8:30. You went from bright green candles to green candles to gray reversal candles. You're cooling off in the data. Remember, the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data that we're seeing. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Green is your second strongest upside candle, so you're seeing it cooling off. You start getting 1, 2, 3, 4 down confidence arrows. You go to gray reversal candles, and then guess what? Boom, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. You get the sell signal, and it just gives you that confidence to jump in. You broke below the Maverick guide. Remember, when we're below the Maverick guide, we like to go short. When we're above the Maverick guide, we like to go long. Below, we like to go short. And look at this ride down. By the way, your Maverick trender is just pegged to the top right here on this whole move up. Your Maverick trender is pegged to the bottom, this whole move down. And then look, you start coming back up. Boom, boom, boom. You have a little pop up. You change color. So you're like, okay, well, I'm going to get out of this thing because we're changing color. And then look, we break below the Maverick guide. You get the sell signal. Maverick trender is up, and you start getting hot pink candles again. And this thing's just screaming at you to get in. Remember, when we're above the blue line, we like to go long. When we're below the blue line, we like to go short. Then you had some chop here because this is like your final 20 minutes before the bell rings. But look at all these sell signals right here. Sell, sell, sell. It's like yelling at you to get in, but you would sit on your hands because you're dead on the Maverick guide. And we like to go short when we're below it. And I don't like to get into trades 5 minutes before the market opens. You're just asking to get whiffed out and get your stop loss taken. And then we push down. Sell signal. Market opens right here. Dead on. Sell signal. Boom. Look at all these down confidence arrows. You break below the Maverick guide. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Unbelievable. Maverick trender pegged to the top, pushing all the way down. You start to get a reversal of colors because the data is cooling off to the downside. You're like, okay, let me get out of this thing. Let me just let it. Maybe we're going to reverse. Maybe we're going to go up. Nope, nope. You start coming back down. You get a sell signal. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Below the Maverick guide, tons of down confidence arrows, and you're pushing down. Okay? You start coming back up. You change color. I'm out. Okay? Boom, boom, boom. We break above the Maverick guide. Oh, maybe we're going to head to the sky. Maybe we're going to start going up. Okay? And then we start weaning down. Yeah, we're kind of going sideways. I know I got squished, but I would consider this kind of sideways. Start getting down confidence arrows. We break below the Maverick guide, and then boom, sell signal pushing all the way down. Unstinking believable, super fun. Now, of course, are you going to get stuff like this in like 10 minutes before market open, 15 minutes before? Yeah, like this, there's no silver bullet, right? But what we do is we stack probability in our favor. Reversal candles, sell signal, below the Maverick guide, Maverick trender pegged to the top. And go back and watch all the videos on the Maverick trender. I would never trade without this on my screen. Then you start coming back up, reversal of color, so you get the heck out. And then you get a sell signal, you get hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, and you push to the downside. Sideways action, get a bunch of sell signals, market opens right dead there, and you just flush again to the downside. Change of color. You get your sell signal, unstinking believable. Now, I was very hesitant on releasing a buy-sell indicator. We're calling it Maverick Signals. And the reason is because I don't want you guys just taking trades just because you saw a sell signal. That's crazy. That is not trading. If you're looking for that, we're not the company for you. Okay? You want to trade. You want to be a trader. This is just to give you confidence. Now let me show you the other indicator I'm going to turn on, and this is why I have the Maverick AI Pro background off. So I want to show you something really cool. We're going to give you guys something I was up till 3:30 this morning. If you guys know me, I'm in bed by like 9 o'clock. Okay, I like to trade early. I like to be in bed. I was up till 3:30 in the morning working on this thing with some other folks, and this is the Mav background, okay? And what the Mav background's going to do, I want you to think of this like an add-on. This will allow you to add the background color of either the Maverick AI Pro, the Maverick Bear Bull. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for that, or the Maverick Trender, meaning that when the Maverick Trender, for instance. Let me turn this one on real quick. Look at this. I'm just going to keep this off to the right. Oh, maybe it'll let me drag it. There we go. So the Maverick Trender will, when this line is pegged to the top, that is showing massive strength and momentum. Massive strength and momentum. Okay? Let me just get rid of that. Sorry. So look at this huge move up. Maverick Trender was pegged to the top. Can't go any further. Strength and momentum. It can color your background now. So you don't even have to, you could keep this sucker off. and you'll always know what's going on with it. This huge move down, Maverick Trender was pegged to the top. You had a downtrend label. You can use the Maverick Trender, okay, background. Now this is pre-market, so you're going to get choppy. Then you're right back to the Maverick Trender being pegged. Any retracement, look, the Maverick Trender, you lost your Maverick Trender here. Color and change, you could have gotten the heck out because you saw the background change. You didn't even need to look down at your Maverick Trender. It also has the Maverick AI Pro, which if you have the Maverick AI Pro, you already have that. You can stack these backgrounds if you want to make them like different colors or the intensity. Let me show you though, the one I've been experimenting with the most that is just absolutely killer. And that is putting the Maverick Bear Bull on my charts as the background using the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Trender. And obviously the Maverick Multi-X, but the market's closed right now. Maverick Multi-X only works when the market's open. Look at this. Look at the color of the background and the moves that we're getting. Like, just drink that in for a second. Of course, again, I want to be very clear. This is pre-market. This is like 20 minutes before market opens, 15 minutes before market opens. You're going to have sideways action a lot of times. But man, you get a buy signal, you green background, bright green candles, Maverick Trender pegged to the top. But look how this background of the Bear Bull is so good to match up with, to stack the probability of your sell signals, your Maverick AI Pro, your Maverick Trender. Just awesome. I mean, it catches this downward, the retracement. Just really, really cool. So I've been having a ton of fun with this background tool. Anyway, wanted to give you guys a preview. Give us a few days. This is going to be released to our Maverick AI Pro bundle customers. So if you own that bundle, this is going to be free to you for the lifetime members, people who made the one-time payment. Like, you invested in us, like you said, I'm all in. I'm going to do it. I'm going to invest in myself and in you. That's what you were saying. So I want to give back to you and hook you up even more. I know I said that 7th indicator for free was like, that was it for this bundle. We're creating all new bundles of some fire stuff we got coming out soon. But I wanted to hook you guys up. I am going to ask you to do one simple task for us, but it's simple and it won't cost you a dime. So anyway, come check us out. If you aren't a Maverick member, come check us out. Our website is MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And we would love to help more folks crush it in 2026. Don't take my word for it. Come read what our traders are saying. Again, obviously, never financial advice. Do your own research. But we're just having so much fun with these indicators. We wanted to make them available to you. I should have said this at the beginning if I didn't, but these both will be available on NinjaTrader and TradingView. Okay, so they're actually already done on the platform, approved, the whole nine. We just got to get a couple of logistics in line so we can start approving you guys if you guys want this. So there you go. So pay attention to your email over the next few days. Pay attention to YouTube over the next few days because we're going to announce this soon on how you can claim these 2 free indicators if you're a Maverick AI Pro bundle, the one-time payment member. Cool. All right, guys. Hope you have a fantastic weekend. Hope you're super pumped because I have been having so much fun with these indicators and can't wait to hear what you think about them. Come check us out. If you're not a member yet, we would love to make 2026 your best year yet. Again, obviously, always not financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.